Who you see me a cuss out?
Rambo man.
Which man me a cuss out?
No, the girl with the weave, yeah, yes, because not a girl with a weave business.
Be a cuss out a girl with a weave?
Yeah, talking about white people that say that they wear weave.
When me say the white people and say that doesn't wear weave?
Weave
And they must stop talking about black people and the black girl with a weave because them pussy want weave. Other one day? You love that video, right? Thank you, baby. You love it?
Yeah, man.
Bless up yourself. Big up. Love you, right?
Yeah,
White people may I try reach home. May I try reach home. Me get too much trouble. Alright. Me get too much trouble. Hate and bad mind can't hold me down. No time at all. Me have too much love in my heart for hate and bad mind hold me down. When I come outside, I can't make the feeling more like to make cause. So I run into a lot of people. Always saying hello. And hello and hello. You know how that is. And this my camera can watch me back. That's another security for me. I whip a bag hang up on my hand. I have rice and peas with fried chicken. I have 2-piece gravy. I have a whole big bun. And I have a whole can of cheese. And I'm dying to get inside. Here goes another fart and another fart. My God. No man, this is more than embarrassing. I'm supposed to buy a bottle of water. But I can't stop at the store to buy the water. Because I don't know. Because all this thing going on right now. I try and catch a water to the store in front of my house. Because right now, with my body let off. I see my body let off for some milk. I go drink. So then I go put one bowl of ice because I'm thirsty. And I go inside and the fridge and take out one big sitting of ice and throw the milk on it well cold, you know man. I'm really thirsty and I suck it down. Alright baby, and suck it down.